comfortable. The build quality is awesome. Even I am having the Logitech wireless mouse. That model number is M185. You can check both. Okay, I am keeping it aside and just check the build quality. Oh, it's so silent. See, if just check it out, it makes sounds. See. And check this one, it's so you can't hear a single noise by clicking the button. Oh wow, it's awesome. Just check it out. Oh, there is one battery. Okay, just pull it out, and here is that Bluetooth receiver which you get. Just click on okay on button. Oh, see, the light is blinking. See. And it feels very comfortable. Check this one. Let's connect it with the laptop and just see. Guys, you must purchase this. If you are looking for wireless mouse, then go for, if your budget is above 1000, then go for Logitech. You can definitely go for Logitech M331. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked my video. Just click on like button and click on subscribe button. Thanks for watching.